Hey everyone, today we are diving into some cool later manipulation with a free AI tool. Let's jump right in. First, grab your browser and search for bing.com. Click on it. Then click on images. Click the create button. Then get ready to unleash your creativity with a text prompt. Now copy the prompt, paste here. Hit create. Wait for a second. It's creating. Boom! You have got your AI powered artwork. Want to tweak it? Simply adjust the prompt and watch the magic happen. Let's try another prompt. Some little changes. And then again hit the create. Wait for some seconds. Boom! You have got your AI powered artwork. Isn't it cool? Loving your creation, right? So let's check out another prompt. Just little change of later. Boom! Isn't it great? So click the image for a closer look or download it directly to share with the world. I will also drop the exact prompt in the video description for your reference. So what are you waiting for? Get out there and experiment with these awesome AI tools. Remember to subscribe for more creative tutorials like this one. We're gonna create another one. Wow, that's incredible. Okay, you just need to click the image for a closer look or download it directly, right? Great. That's all. Thank you. Subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.